Good afternoon, and once again I am back on the Chiltern main line. This time though I am at Bicester North, and it's another down the line station short. Bicester North is a station located on the Chiltern main line and was opened on the 1st of July 1910, originally by the Great Western Railway Company. This is one of two stations serving Bicester, the other being Bicester Village, which I have covered in an earlier video, so be sure to check that out at some point in the near future. Bicester North is managed and serviced by Chiltern Railways, with services running south to London Marylebone and north to Banbury and Birmingham Snow Hill. I have to say that by looking around this station, there are a lot of similarities between Princess Risborough and Wendover, and you'll find that is a main feature on the Chiltern main line. And like I said before, it's a charming rural station, and they keep it well, and Chiltern Railways has kept it consistent up and down the line on every station that I have been to so far. So it's a decent line. There's no getting away from that, and it's a testament to Chiltern Railways. The last count for passengers here stood at 148,000 and is around for what we usually expect along this line. Back in history, what was known as the Bicester Cut-Off between Ashenden and Aynhoe Junctions was opened in 1910 and was the final mainline stretch to be completed in Britain until the 1980s. This led to the building of the station and gave passengers a direct train from Bicester to London. Looking around at the smaller details of the station, it was nice to see a plaque dedicated to the opening of this station, and you can't forget the date it opened. And for me, surprisingly, it opened later than I even thought. Okay, and that is Bicester North done. To be fair, we got 4 trains in, so that's double what I expected, to be honest, but nonetheless, that's Bicester Station's completed. Earlier in another video, I've covered Bicester Village. So yeah, that is Bicester ticked. So thank you very much for watching once again. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you next time down the line.